Step 1. Download the app. You're going to look in your Apple Store or in your Play Store for GroupMe and download it to your phone. I'm going to give you 1 minute to do that. Step 2. Open the app and set the privacy and sync your contacts. The app is going to ask you access to your Bluetooth to be able to contact with people that is around you. It's going to request access to your contacts and it's going to request you authorization to send you notifications. That step you can set it up later. Also, the app is going to recommend you to sync your phone contacts to make it easier to find people to connect with. You finish with the setup, so this should be your main screen right now. Step 3. How to create a group. At the top of your screen on the right, you're going to see a little pencil. You're going to click on it and it's going to give you the next options. Start a group, scan QR code, send a direct message, or start a scholar group. I'm going to show you how to create a regular group. These are going to be your options. You can change the name of the group, the picture of the group, and you can describe the topic of the group. When you finish with the setup, you're going to click in Next and you're going to add contacts. In this step, you only are going to be available to add those contacts that you have added in your phone. If you don't have them, you just can skip this step. I'm going to explain you later this part. Now, when you skip it, you're going to finish with the setup of the group. You can decide if this group is going to be closed, so only the people that created can add or take out people. Also, you can put that new members ask for a permission to join the group, and also you can give it a specific decoration or topic. The app offers you different kind of topics already created by them. As you can see, studies, work, friends, community, sports, or parties. Now the important part, how we are going to add members to the group. When you are all done with the settings of the group, the app is going to give you this option to add members. You will be able to add members from your phone contacts or to share the group. When you click on Share the Group, these are going to be your options. Copy, show QR code, or print it. Also, you can share it through messages, mail, WhatsApp, Gmail, or any other app that you have in your phone. And this is how it is going to look like. Now, it's time for you to join the Blazing Force group. Are you ready? You are going to join me using my QR code. So open your cameras, scan the code, and join my group in GroupMe, Blazing Force. This is the first message you're going to see in our group. Welcome! We made it. We are all done. So now your main screen should look like this.